Microvision's 2-in-1 is the first Indian rheometer plus mooney viscometer machine. It is efficient, reliable, and convenient rubber testing machine, used to extract the exact information and analysis of unvulcanized rubber compound. Moreover, at any time it could be used as rheometer or mooney viscometer by interchanging a few key components by a drive change of the rotor die assembly. Beside the fact that the rheometer and mooney viscometer are similar to operate, but have different ways to measure the rubber specimen properties. Where the mooney viscometer rotates and the rheometer oscillates an embedded rotor with a test specimen. To use the 2-in-1 machine as rheometer. A small test piece of rubber compound is contained in a sealed test cavity under specified positive pressure and maintained at a specified constant temperature. The test piece is then enclosed with a rotor and is oscillated with a small specified rotary amplitude. A plot of this torque gives a typical graph called cure curve or Rheo graph. The acquired data gives exact information about processability, cure characteristics, cure speed, and behavior of the compound after vulcanization. An expert could easily monitor the initial trough, that is, processing behavior of the compound, the slope of rise during cure phase, and final shape of the curve according to internationally designated parameters like MI, ML, MH, TS2, TC50, TC90, etc. We at Microvision have worked hard to ensure the testing accuracy of our machines. Our machine undergoes a series of test processes where it is made to test hundreds of test compounds. On top of that, we are capable of producing more than 40 machines per month. Our machines are easy to operate and calibrate. It comes with precision torque sensor, accurate temperature control, and pneumatic system. It helps in measuring minimum and maximum torque, scorch time, cure rate, and thermoplasticity. Automatic machines start and stop for each specimen. Continuous testing of sample, depending on batches, stock. Each specimen's graph is shown with separate color. Unlimited number of graphs per screen. The results are marked on the graph during display. Each user is identified and could be given a password. Software provides automatic or user-defined data backup and compact options. User can view, delete specimen for a period. User can write backup on external devices. You can transfer the analysis data to Excel sheet, or you can export it as PDF also. Our Research and Development Department is currently working on the touchscreen panel and automatic temperature control system through PC, which would further help in product improvement. User can define lower and upper limits with the help of quality control gates. User can define the master graph. Choices of selecting any parameter as pass or fail criteria. Extensive statistical analytical parameters. User can add own comments for future references for each stock. A graphical report can also be seen on screen while testing to compare the specimen. The statistical analysis can also help in setting quality control parameters of stock. Oscillating disc frequency, 100 cycles per minute. Oscillating amplitude, plus or minus 1 degree, 3 degrees, 5 degrees, half cycle. International standards, ASTM D2084 and ISO 3417. The graph can be divided into three major parts: viscosity and fluidness of the rubber sample, curing rate, physical properties such as stiffness, hardness, and strength. The cure curves are classified typically in three types: vulcanization to equilibrium, vulcanization to maximum torque with reversion, vulcanization to continuously increasing torque. Use the 2-in-1 machine as Mooney viscometer. The Mooney viscometer's process includes rotation of a flat, cylindrical disc embedded in an elastomer specimen, which is confined in a heated die cavity, which exerts a shear strain on the specimen. The resistance to rotation offered by the elastomer is shearing viscosity, which is proportional to mean absolute viscosity of the specimen. Normally, a preheat period is given to the elastomers, followed by which the disc starts to rotate. An initial high viscosity is recorded, and the viscosity decreases to a minimum value. Viscosity obtained with large rotors are approximately twice those of small rotors. The complete calibration can be performed directly by our software. We at Microvision have worked hard to ensure the testing accuracy of our machines. Our machine undergoes a series of test processes where it is made to test hundreds of test compounds. On top of that, we are capable of producing more than 40 machines per month. Delete option for stock or batch number. Provision quality gates with pass-fail criteria. Statistical analysis. Output data reports. Temperature graph will appear along with Mooney graph. High capacity of data storage and retrieval. Color printout. Flexible testing timings. Online display of Mooney versus time graph. Easy to operate and calibrate. Precision torque sensor. Accurate temperature control. Pneumatic system. According to international standards, ASTM D1646 and ISO 289. Rotor speed 2 RPM. Preheat time 0 to 10 minutes. Mooney range 0 to 200 MU.
The following information is obtained from the plot. VI BM, T5, T35, Delta TL30.
We are Microvision, and we are glad to be working with you.